Now we will discuss about the cell and its components. Actually, cell is made up of three components, that is plasma membrane, nucleus and cytoplasm. Plasma membrane, it is also known as cell membrane. It is the outer covering of cell. Actually, it provides shape to the cells and it protects the cell. In case of plant cell, there is another covering outside the cell membrane, that is cell wall. After the cell membrane, another one is nucleus. Nucleus is very much important for the cell. It is the control center of cell. It controls all the activities of cells. Another one is cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is the jelly like substance which is present inside the plasma membrane. So cytoplasm and nucleus combined, they known as protoplasm. Cytoplasm contain many cell organelles. We will discuss about cell organelles later on. So on the basis of number of cells, organisms are of two types: unicellular organisms and multicellular organisms. You already studied about unicellular and multicellular organisms in class 8th. Now we will discuss the difference between these two types of organisms. Unicellular organisms are made up of only single cell, and multicellular organisms are made up of more than one type of cells. And unicellular organism, there is no division of labor, means all the functions of cell like respiration, digestion, excretion, all the functions are performed by a single cell. Whereas in case of multicellular organisms, there is division of labor. For example, in our case, we have different digestive system, respiratory system and all other systems. Example of unicellular organisms are amoeba and paramecium, whereas in multicellular organism there are plants and animals. So now the question arises, do all cells are similar in shape and size? What do you think? Actually, all the cells are not same in shape and sizes. There is lot of variability in the shape and size of cell. For example, as you already studied, that neuron, that is nerve cell of our body, it is the largest cells in our body, and its shape is also very much different from other cells. After the neuron, there is more cells like white blood cells, muscle cells. These cells also have very different shapes. Thank you.